Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're hearing my voice from. Today I will be sharing with you on the top Telegram airdrop you don't want to miss. The top Telegram airdrop you don't want to miss. And one of those airdrops the G.O.A.T.S airdrop, the G.O.A.T.S farm, where you tap on different games on the Telegram G.O.A.T airdrop. Unlocking the world of Telegram airdrop, you are unlimited guide. I'm going to guide you through this earning cryptos. You are looking at diving into an exciting world of cryptocurrency while having fun on Telegram. That is what the G.O.A.T airdrop and other airdrops are all about on the Telegram meme bot. If so, man, you are in for something nice. And if you are looking for more information on what is going to happen on the listing date, the listing price, and how to go about Telegram, because most persons are afraid of playing the good game, and that is where you will get the A and the O's. So I encourage you not to be scared. I will take you through how you will play without losing much of your goat, not even without losing any. When I say any, maybe you just one goat, two goat thereabouts. So even if you have 10,000 goats and you're just losing one, it's just nothing to cry around. Well, most times people just jump into the game without knowing how to play the game very well. So I'll take you through the step-by-step guide on how to play the game. You can see all the games I am playing now are all on win, and all through the games I'm playing, all on win. Why am I so serious with the G.O.A.T airdrop? I told my community we're not going to be serious with Amta Combat because the pay will be not too good, but the market entering point was very good. After doing our fundamental analysis and technical analysis, we see that the coin dividing the number of persons that are eligible for the airdrop, but are too many to go around. Even if they go into the market with 500 billion naira market capitalization, it will still not be enough for some persons. Maybe we'll be looking out for phase 2 of the anti-combat project, or if you have, you can now buy the dip and hold on for a long time. So, but today I want to tell you about the G.O.A.T airdrop and what I perceive to see. The strength I use in doing the G.O.A.T project, that is exactly what I'm doing with the G.O.A.T project. In the G.O.A.T project, thank God I saw the analysis and I know G.O.A.T is going to do well when the G.O.A.T will get to the market. And G.O.A.T went to market with $1, guys, $1 entering point, and it stayed in 99 cents for over 2-3 hours. Take that to your calendar that if you have 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 CAT, you think as if they don't do. We put in a lot of fund, a lot of effort, not just trying to play and tap. No, the G.O.A.T must get your daily logins with a little here and there, little tone here, little tone there. And sincerely, we never regretted in the community. When people are crying for 4 G.O.A.T, 5 G.O.A.T, we are talking about 200, 500, 1,000, 2,000 G.O.A.T in the market. And we pleasantly take out some, and much later take more. So it's a good project compared to the G.O.A.T project. The G.O.A.T will do 10 times better of that. I know. So if you're on my Telegram group, please do log in every day and check. And if you're on my YouTube channel, do like this video and give us a thumb up notification. Turn off your notification bell so that whenever we drop any juicy information about the G.O.A.T or any other outstanding airdrop, we don't run with every airdrop. Presently, we are running with Mimi. The Mimify project is one of the best also project because the market capitalization, the total supply is 10 billion coins. 10 billion coins, that is the lowest so far. Amta Combat came in with I think 550 billion. Almost all are hitting 550 billion. But give to this, just coming on board with 10 billion. So the Mimify is going to do well. Take it as serious as you can. Push it to your highest level and get more coins to be eligible. Better position yourself to earn well. So what is the G.O.A.T prediction? The G.O.A.T is an interesting project because of the new update of them telling us to meet up the T gang, the S gang, the O gangs. We've gotten almost all the gangs now. What we are doing is just, if you want to get the O gang, many need to play games. And what are the games? You can see on my screen how I'm playing the games. No lose, no loss. Just in, out. I pick one, yeah. But I make sure every game I play with just one goat, no matter how many goats I have. The mistake people making, you play the game with greed. In this kind of game, you don't pick more than 3 or 4. When you just pick the first one, the second one, the third one, fourth is okay. Third is okay, fourth is okay. You get one more goat. You get some 0.68 goats, and that is good for you. What is our excitement in our community? One of the greatest things we love in our community is we started with not going to dog to no, before even dog, catty, and some other projects. We are not serious with some projects that when we see the project will not do well because of our analysis. Then we take funds from one project to another, and then now we are all around the Telegram, crypto listing projects and Solana airdrops. These are the way. Look at this spin. The spin is as beautiful as it is. Just with one goat, I go along with my spins, and I have over close to 15 million goats. And I know before the date of airdrop, I'll give and take, I will be about 50 million goats. That is my target, because that is all where I'm putting my strength. I do everything about GOAT. So even if GOAT is going to list 30125, I know I've made something out of this wonderful project. And if you want to know more about how to go about it, below this video you can go ask your questions, and I can do another video or add it to my WhatsApp group where I give daily trade on airdrops and what to do, how to go about it. I think GOAT is going to cook pretty well. This is the game that is most times taking your hand in. How will you play a game with 10,000 goats, 20,000 goats, one spin? These spins are trial lock, so don't go with much. They are all trial lock. As you can see, if I'm losing my coin, I will not have up to 14.5 million goats, and I'm still working tirelessly day and night to see I made something pretty out of this project, and I'll take the project straight sincerely to another project, to another project, to another project, to another project. I don't just go take it, enjoy my earnings. I use my earnings to reinvest in some other thing. So thank you very much for having me here on your channel. Please do join